Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a pretty intense clean with me. Things have gotten a little crazy over here. I was away, we went to the cottage, life is busy, la la la. So I hope that you enjoy this clean with me. I have some Murder, She Wrote on in the background, a cup of coffee, lots of drinks, as you can see from all the cans, and we are ready to get this place in shape. I recently read a study about how the dirtiest place in your house is actually not your toilet, it's your kitchen sink. So I usually bleach the kitchen sink, but I've been making an effort to bleach it more, and I use that Comet, and you just pour some in, it's water activated, it scrubs, and then you just leave it, let it sit, do other things like wipe the counters, clean the stove, all that stuff, and then come back to it. And it not only disinfects your sink, but it also leaves it really nice and shiny. And the key is to disinfect with bleach because a lot of bacteria and things from food grow in there, and so you want to make sure that it's nice, clean, and safe. And now, my favorite part of finishing cleaning up is my reward, a nice cup of coffee. So I can drink this and watch Murder, She Wrote. If you've never seen it, you definitely need to check it out. It's on Amazon Prime. It's literally my favorite show. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this clean with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video. Thanks for watching.